today we're going to talk about a state-of-the-art formula that you can use for ranking documents with respect to queries, and we'll go through it from the beginning to the end. So just as a reminder, right, that's our favorite example. We've used it for 2 lectures. We have 2 stories here. They talk about the same topic, and we talked about the fact that we're going to build a way to measure similarity of pieces of text by looking at word occurrences, right? So the word stars occurs in both of these news stories. The word single occurs in both of them, and we're going to try to use that intuition to build a way to measure similarity, to build a similarity measure over text. So if you start counting, and if you just do it exhaustively, what you'll see is there are some words that occur in both stories. So stars occurs 4 times in the story on the left, twice in the story on the right. Single occurs once on the left, twice on the right. Triple occurs once in both places. So those are all good content-bearing terms, and those terms are related, directly related to what the stories talk about. Right. Now you have some other words. They also occur in both of these stories. Why some, others? While they are tangentially related to the subject, to the topic of the 2 stories, but you could expect to see these words in any kind of news, right? They're not specific to this particular topic of star systems. And then you have other words which are linguistic glue. So these words they're frequent in any piece of text. They don't carry any content, any topical content. They're just there to glue the language together, right? So they're pretty much useless for measuring similarity, but they will co-occur across random pieces of text, right? So in addition to that, we have a bunch of words that only occur in story 1. So some of them are there on the left, and some of them are quite content-bearing. And we have a bunch of words that only occur in the story on the right. And the task at hand, what we'll be trying to do is we'll be trying to figure out a way to weave all of this information to somehow combine it all into one number. And that number will be the number that we use to measure the similarity of 2 pieces of text. So that's what today's lecture is all about. And the